Pinadanuman, iti 700,000 hectares, iti enlak. Babaen, ti baro, restored, wenno rehabilitated irrigation systems. Kas pangarigan, babasit na irigasyon, ket pinadanuman, iti 500,000 hectares ti farmland, ti entero nga enlak. Madamdama, agbisita tayo, iti may sadagiti rehabilitated irrigation systems, jay Delphine Albano Isabela. Adamet jay bangir, ti San Roque Dam, nga balabaliwen tayo, iti Agno River Project, nga mangted iti irigasyon, iti 35,000 nga hektarya, jay Eastern Pangasinan, Western Nueva Ecija, ken Northern Lalak, no Malpas, no 2012. Ti sa Kasiknan Dam Irrigation Project met, nalpas, iti Disyembre, agtultulong dagijay 55,000 hectares iti Nueva Ecija, our largest rice-producing provinces. And iti Banawang Irrigation System, namnamain nga mapadanuman iti 6,000 hectares na hektarya iti Ilocos Sur. Tano makaurnong iti dolyar, and to save our air from climate change, windmills in Batanes and Bangi, Ilocos Norte turn mega winds into megawatts. Ti Bangi Bay Project, keng mangmanted tata iti 30% iti masapol nga enerhiya ti Ilocos Norte. Ti San Roque, mangted ti pa hydropower into no 2013. But me, I don't like hydropower, especially big ones. Because when you have El Nino, they don't work, like what is happening now in Mindanao. Mas na shot the wind power, which has plenty of wind here in northern Luzon. Ken, I remember Governor Antonio telling me nga umay dagijay wind power projects, iti Pamplona, ken apari. Okay, so the equipments are now being offloaded. So, asidegen, the wind power, toy Cagayan Province. Kas land reform, nag-distribute tayo ti 150,000 nga hektarya nga private land, ken 600,000 nga hektarya ti public land, kadwa dagiti ancestral domain. Kas pangarigan, 100,000 nga hektarya para kadigiti Bugkalots, ken Ilonggots, iti Quirino, Aurora, ken Nueva Vizcaya. Isu nga 150,000 nga Bugkalot, dijay, ket nangaramid iti irigasyon, ken planted their own vegetables and corn. I also remember attending a land distribution, combined land reform and ancestral domain in Rizal, in the neighboring province of Tabuk, of Kalinga. Dagiti manalon, ket ng benepisyo met babaen iti agroforestry, kasi iti Jatropa, kas pangarigan, 200 hectares jay Fort Pagsaysay, in northern Nueva Ecija. Adame dagiti proyekto nga panagmula, iti Nyog, kas dagiti inrugita yo jay Lalo, Cagayan, in one of my recent visits here, idi Malpas Gatawen, ken ijay Nueva Vizcaya, ken Isabela, into no March 16. Coconuts in the northern provinces. Tano pondoan dagitoy puunan, we have made very tough and unpopular choices to control the deficits and increase taxes to pay for the future of this nation. Education, the economy, and the environment have received the largest share of the money. I would suffer the criticism any day and over again to see our nation prosper. You, the youth of our nation in particular, deserve a better deal than your parents. In you, we will see a brighter day. No price is too high to pay for your education and your future success. The nation must expand its political and economic footprint to lift up all regions, not just Metro Manila. That is why we have insisted on investing billions of pesos across the nation to tie the nation together through a better, more modern transportation system, to lift up you, our next generation, with more schools to ensure a better education and keep our nation clean, safe, and beautiful to tap the best of our natural beauty. May saraing tayo nga pagpagilian. We are one nation. So let us all stand shoulder to shoulder to lift up our nation up, and to give you, our next generations, even more opportunity. Diyos, tagina ka na kayo, amen. Ako.